Today, I'll be saying the story Wishes Granted. So once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a village in India where there was a father and a son. The name of the father was Subal, and son's name was Social. His Social's father Subal, he had a disease he had a disease known as he had a disease known as rheumatism. It basically makes him it basically it basically makes his movement very hard. So Subal was not very good at walking, running, or even concentrating. He was too old, and then he also had rheumatism. So he always had a hard time. And on the other hand, his son Social, he had no diseases, and he was a very naughty kid. He used to disturb every single ounce of the peace in the village. He would never let anyone in the village be peaceful. He would do some nasty and naughty things, and everyone used to hate him in the village. Uh, and his father Subal, even though he tries to stop him, he can't, because he can't catch up with his son, because his son is so active, whereas he is very old and also has rheumatism. So both of them um, both of them were quite the opposite. One day, one day Sushil woke up and knew that it was time for school, and he was already too late. He also knew that he had maths exam today, so he was not willing to go to school at any cost. But when Subal came in, he acted as if he had a stomach ache, so that his father would believe him, and would tell him to take rest for the remaining part of the day. Uh, um, then uh, um, then Social's plan was actually working. Subal came in. Um, Subal came in and said, "What happened? What happened? It's too late. And why? What are you doing in home? It's too late for you. You need to go to school." Then Sohil said, "Oh, today I can't go to school. I have a very bad stomach ache. Please let me rest for the rest of the day." Then Subal says, "Oh, you have a stomach ache, huh? So okay, you can rest for the remaining part of the day, but I will not let you out of our house, and you are grounded." He says that, and he closes the door. Social actually wanted to go out today to enjoy the fireworks with his friends, and he will also get the chance to eat various types of sweets if he goes out. But his father grounded him, and he can't even see what's happening outside. So he was very sad, and he cried a lot. Both of Social wished that if he was an adult, he could do anything that he wanted. And Subal wished that only if I was as young as him, I would do very good in my studies, and I would get rid of this rheumatism disease. And both that night, when both of them were sleeping, the fairy of the wishes arrived in their home and granted their wishes. So both of them switched their bodies. But and some days passed, and at the first day, both of them enjoyed themselves. But from the second day, they were really tired of that, um, because Social's friends were not right. They were not right for Subal, and Subal's friends were not right for Social. So everything was so mashed up, and Social used to be so agile and so funny playing with his friends. But Subal can't even catch up with them now. If Social tries to climb a tree or do something like that, he would get the rheumatism disease. He would get the problems of rheumatism, and he would hate the life all the time. So both of them again wished, I want to be myself back again," and hence their wishes were granted by the fairy of wishes again. From this, both of them learned a lesson. Everyone has their own problems, and all of the people should stop thinking that they are the only ones who are facing all the problems in the world. Thank you.